On November 7th, I had the opportunity to visit a new classic car museum in St. Augustine. And that's what it's called. Classic Car Museum of St. Augustine. Not only does it have all these cars on display, but also it has a banquet room, meeting room, and so on. So it's a brand new facility. Beautiful. It's I'll give you the address and the website for the museum. There are various scenarios presented in the museum. Here's a diner scene, kind of remembering what it was like back in the old days. There are a couple of pinball machines. And I'll be showing you videos of some of the cars that are on display here. Some very interesting cars. And by the way, some of the cars in the museum here are for sale. Besides the museum, this day was set aside for the St. Augustine Antique Automobile Club's yearly meet. So we also had that going on.